Who the heck doesn't want a legendary Pokemon? They're strong, powerful, rare, and definitely very awesome since they're very hard to get. So if you're having issues on getting a legendary Pokemon, then this tutorial is definitely perfect for you. First off, if you have been playing Pokemon GO for a very long time and you realize that you have never encountered a single legendary Pokemon, then that's because you have never done the right way. And the main way is to catch a legendary Pokemon in Pokemon GO is to first beat one in a 5-star raid battle. These battles take place at gyms and you'll typically need to team up with at least 5 other trainers to win because they are very hard to win since the Pokemon that you're battling with is a legendary. After you've done a very astonishing work beating that legendary Pokemon, you'll be given a limited amount of Premier Balls to try and capture it. So make sure you make it count on every single Premier Balls that you throw, because their catch rates are very low, so there's never a guarantee that you'll catch a legendary Pokemon that you just beaten. With that being said, you can increase your chances by landing excellent throws and doing curveballs. You can also get more Premier Balls to throw at the Pokemon by performing well in the battle or battling in a gym that matches your team's color. And after you've successfully caught your first legendary Pokemon and you're excited to catch more legendary Pokemon, just make sure you have enough raid passes before you go on legendary hunting. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please drop a like and leave a comment if you have any more questions. For now, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.